observes Great June Uprising Unity Day 2020. After India's election to UNSC, PM Modi thanks global community. And India reports highest single-day jump with 12,881 COVID-19 cases, tally over 3.6 lakh. Hello, you're watching the news today at 1 with me, Mandira, and now the news in detail. The 19th Great June Uprising and Unity Day observance function is underway at Kekrupat in Imphal. The function is jointly organized by United Committee Manipur, UCM and All Manipur United Clubs Organization, AMUCO. People from different parts of the state come to the complex of 18 martyrs at Kekrupat since early morning. The Observance Committee appealed to the gathering to maintain COVID-19 norms. Chairman of the Observance Committee, Sunil Karam, on the occasion said it is high time for people from all communities to come together to unitedly stand against those who threaten the integrity of the state. The bilateral Bangkok Agreement of June 14, 2001 had sparked protest in Manipur after it decided to extend the ceasefire between the centre and NSC and IM without territorial limit. In the public uprising, 18 people sacrificed their lives for protecting the territorial integrity of Manipur.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯃꯄꯨꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ 2001ꯗ ꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯋꯤꯗꯥꯎꯠ ꯇꯦꯔꯤꯇꯣꯔꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯂꯤꯃꯤꯠ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯍꯩ ꯑꯍꯨꯝꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯍꯧꯅꯔꯨꯕ ꯂꯩꯇꯅ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯇꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯀꯟꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯇꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯋꯤꯗꯥꯎꯠ ꯇꯦꯔꯤꯇꯣꯔꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯂꯤꯃꯤꯠ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯟꯗꯣꯛꯍꯟꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯨꯟꯕꯒꯤ ꯁꯛꯇꯝ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯗꯧꯕ ꯆꯦꯂꯦꯟꯖ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯁꯦ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯥꯔꯊ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯕꯖꯥꯔꯕꯦꯁꯟ ꯀꯃꯤꯇꯤꯅ ꯁꯤꯟꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯇꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯤꯡꯅꯕ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯅ ꯄꯨꯟꯖꯜꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯇꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯇꯨꯡꯂꯝꯆꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯦꯞꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ.
At the event, Committee Vice Chairman P. Nandu Luang claimed that on many occasions the Government of India has challenged the integrity of the state. Nandu was happy that the COVID-19 pandemic has brought the hills and valley closer and claimed that it has become a headache for the centre. He appealed to the people to stand united for the state's integrity.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯀꯣꯚꯤꯗ ꯂꯥꯏꯅꯥ ꯂꯥꯏꯆꯠꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯆꯤꯡ ꯇꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯝ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯎꯔꯛꯄ ꯆꯤꯡꯃꯤ ꯇꯝꯃꯤ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯟꯅꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯑꯄꯨꯟꯕ ꯄꯥꯡꯒꯜ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯥꯒꯠꯂꯛꯄ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯒꯣꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯅꯥꯈꯣꯡ ꯁꯥꯒꯗꯕ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯔꯣꯏꯗꯕ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯀꯨꯟꯍꯨꯝꯗꯣꯏ ꯆꯠꯊꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯚꯥꯏꯁꯤꯞ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯗꯨꯗ ꯌꯦꯈꯥꯏ ꯊꯤꯡꯒꯥꯏꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯃꯗꯨꯗ ꯌꯦꯃꯧꯅꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯣꯛꯀꯗꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯒꯣꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯅ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯂꯥꯜꯍꯣꯡ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯨꯟꯕ ꯁꯛꯇꯝ ꯊꯨꯒꯥꯏꯔꯛꯈꯤꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯆꯦꯛꯁꯤꯟꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯕ ꯊꯣꯛꯏ. ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯖꯨꯟ 19ꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯑꯆꯦꯠꯄ ꯐꯤꯔꯦꯞ ꯂꯧꯃꯤꯕ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯨꯟꯕ ꯁꯛꯇꯝ ꯀꯥꯏꯍꯟꯃꯤꯟꯅꯒꯨꯝꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯕꯖꯥꯔꯕꯦꯟꯁ ꯀꯃꯤꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯤ.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi today thanked the global community for supporting India's membership to the United National Security Council. Deeply grateful for the overwhelming support shown by the global community for India's membership of the UN Security Council. India will work with all member countries to promote global peace, security, resilience and equity, he said on Twitter. India was on Wednesday elected to the UN Security Council as non-permanent member with 184 of the 192 votes for a 2-year term starting January 1st, 2021. India will begin its 8th 2-year term on January 1st, hoping to use it to promotion to the permanent seat in a reformed UN Security Council. Coronavirus cases in India continued to rise sharply today as the country reported its highest single-day jump with over 12,000 cases. According to the Health Ministry's website, a total number of 12,881 cases were reported in the last 24 hours. taking the total number of cases registered so far in the country have gone up to 3,66,946. As per reports, India's death toll from coronavirus also went up after 334 fresh deaths were reported in the last 24 hours. The country now has 12,237 deaths due to the deadly virus. A total of 1,94,324 people have recovered after contracting the virus, and there are currently 1,60,384 active cases in the country. Yesterday, Prime Minister Narendra Modi urged the state authorities to save more lives by rapidly expanding testing capacity and appealed to the nation to fight the stigma associated with the virus and not panic. Time for a short break. Keep watching.
Brilliance School Malom. Higher secondary exam da second position yauna position holder kaya puthokraba Brilliance School Malom Tulihal Makhana Hauzik Oiriba COVID-19 gi yengjaraga handak chahi gi class 11 science amadi arts ki admission fee logjararoi. Ikai khumna jariba parents amadi guardian singna June gi tang 13 tagi kun fawgi manungda registration tawbiu. Aikho gi website www.brillianceschool.org natraga aikho gi contact number 9612171646.
Royal Academy of Science. How ki bachahi kaya da higher secondary examination da position fankraba mahiroi kaya puthoki betanatana IS officer, MPS officer, MFS officer amasung medical officer nifu hena puthokraba Royal Academy of Science ki 2021 session gi oina class 11 science taming chananaba online registration ki process haujare. Tamningba mahiroi singna Royal Academy of Science ki ozakhra ki phone number sing pijari basida contact tawbirau. Mobile number 9436428036 9856159268 8794213897 98561488080 8257956602. Ichabu mahi tamhanba haibasi mama mapa singna machada piba ngamba khwaidigi chabu khudoni. Slopland Public School, biggest and the finest residential school, Manipur gi oina lamjaningai oiraba mahi tampham ama oiriba khwaidigi junaraba mafamda semgatlaba CBSE the affiliate toba higher secondary school oiri. Icha singbu admission tawidana mama mapa singna machada piba ngamba khwaidigi chabu khudol oibiu icha gi phazabalam chak sajati ahombadu ubiu. Slopland Public School Khongjom.
Welcome back. The Great June 18 Uprising and Unity Day 2020 was also observed at Khoisnamleka Youth Development Committee Community Hall in Uripo, Khoisnamleka, Imphal. The participants at the venue offered floral tributes to all the departed souls. The organizers distributed face masks and hand sanitizers to the participants during the observance. Talking to media persons, mother of late Athoba Rajkumar, one of the martyrs of June 18 incident, Rajkumari Sanahanbi, said she was proud of her son sacrificing his life for the sake of the motherland.
Uripokta leiba kalaki miho singsu lakpiduna alaman tawduna ngasigi hekalekat tom sibang tuksabani aduga Rajkumar gi manau pasu oijabani ayakse aduga loina akhoi kalaki saitagi aina haijaning base akoina no motor su ninidang su idamdam imam Manipur gi damakta lepagi wakhalon sida akhoi kalaki saitagi sinjabani
Asidai nuai bani ai ka dau kap toi no lebaki thawai ka khaba bu ka dau kap toi no ai sha oi bagi sum nung si da kap pai wani mui marai ba phare.
Meanwhile, late Rajkumar's younger brother Laitunjam Jhalajit said the occasion conveys the message of sense of nationalism and love for the land. Lomi Sinmi Apunbalup, Bishnupur district, in association with the Great June Uprising Unity Day Observation Committee today observed the 19th Great June Uprising and Unity Day 2020 at Ningthokong Public Park in Bishnupur district. Ningthokong Municipal Council Chairperson L. Ibungo, Councillor T.H. Birain, Lomi Loop President T.H. Noren and several others took part in the program. The gathering paid homage to all the victims of June 18 by maintaining COVID-19 protocols at the venue. Unemployed Youth Learners Association Porompad Thawanthaba Lekhaya also observed the Great June 18 Uprising and Unity Day at Thawanthaba Community Hall today. People paid floral tributes to the photographs of 18 martyrs on the occasion. COVID-19 Relief Committee Samurao also observed the 19th Great June Uprising Unity Day at Samurao Market. The function was held under the aegis of Amuko and UCM. Wangkhem Constituency MLA K. Meghachandra has urged the Secretary of Manipur Legislative Assembly to take steps for passing a motion in the Assembly for removal of Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker Y. Khemchand. The Congress MLA Meghachandra maintained that the reason for demand for removal of Speaker Khemchand is that his manner is unbecoming of his position and his actions are not only unconstitutional but also illegal. The 3-year-old BJP-led government in Manipur plunged into a crisis yesterday as 3 of its MLAs resigned and joined the Congress and 6 others withdrew support. The legislators who withdrew support, 4 from the National People's Party, 1 from Trinamool Congress and an independent, also expressed desire to support the Congress. The BJP MLAs who resigned were Subhash Chandra Singh, T.T. Haukip and Samuel Zendai. The Congress in Manipur is set to meet the governor with the demand to convene a special session of assembly for a thrust vote. In the 2017 assembly polls, Congress emerged the single largest party with 28 MLAs and the BJP second with 21. Later, around 8 Congress MLAs left the party. Last year, a section of MLA and ministers had raised a banner of revolt against Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, seeking his ouster. Recently, the BJP-led government in Manipur expanded the Council of Ministers by inducting Manipur Naga People Front President Awangbo Nyumai. Rajya Sabha polls in the state will be held on June 19. Recently, the Manipur High Court had restrained 7 MLAs who left Congress to join the BJP from entering the Legislative Assembly till further orders. On March 26, Manipur Minister for Housing and Urban Development Thaunawjam Shyamkumar Singh resigned from the membership of the Legislative Assembly following the Supreme Court verdict. All Jiribam United Clubs Association, Jiri Development Organization and International Peace and Social Advancement today jointly commemorated the 19th Great June 18 Uprising Day at the office premises of Ajuka in Jiribam district. Mairapaibi volunteers along with members of student bodies in the district offered floral tributes to the departed souls who lost their lives during the June 18 public uprising.
COVID-19 की सिगुम्बा लांथिंग सिदा एकोई प्रोटोकॉल मसिगी प्रोटोकॉल नाक दबा यादबनिना एकोई ना मसि सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग थमजरा कांदा याम चेक्सिना प्रोग्राम असिबुसु तौदबा यादबा याम मरु ओइबा मणिपुर की ओइबा वाफम उम्मा ओइबनिना एकोई मसि से पाक्थोकजबनी असिगुम्बा नसिगी थौर मसिदा एकोई इरैबा इरमदा मसिबु नुसिबिदुना थवाइना पंथा पिखेबा लाइव खरबा मियोसिंग दुगी वफमदा थमोय सेंगना हाई लई खरा कत्पीब लाक्पीबगी दबक्ता अखोइगी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की माइकैदगी थागतसबगी फोंदोकजै.
As 3-year-old BJP-led government in Manipur plunged into a crisis yesterday as 3 of its MLAs resigned and joined the Congress and 6 others withdrew support, we have an update on the political development. We are going to take you live updates from the Congress Bhavan right now.
Bharatiya Janata Party na lusingba coalition government dagi sarkar pairiba BJP dagi Nauriya Pakang lakpugi dagi karakpa MLA Subhash Chandra T.T. Haukip Samuel Zendai hariba honorable MLA ahum basina BJP gumba party da yawaduk sharuk BJP की पार्टी द कार के असेंबली द मेंबर वगैरह की सारो अयहाक पार्टी द गीतो MLA द की रिजाइन तो यह लंगरा स्पीकर द चे तो पिछंगरे अदुग लोइना न मोई अहुम कांग्रेस पार्टी लंगरा जॉइन तो करेंगे अदुगी मोइना कांग्रेस पार्टी द जॉइन तो बकान द पार्टी की लीडर सिंगना Time
for a short break. Keep watching.
LPG dealers pamche. Manipurda lanai LPG bottling plant asina lakpage iroinana. Manipurda domestic amadi commercial sector da LPG gas dealer khara pamche. Dealer oibiningba singna contact tobirau MS Kangla Gas Solutions, Malom Bajar, opposite SBI ATM, Imphal West, Manipur 795140. Natraga aikogi contact number 7005152808 Natraga 7005683960 Natraga 9612441 da contact tobirau. Langol View Charitable Clinic haina khangnaram mafam asi Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute Private Limited haina khangnarakani. Mafam asida medicine, gynecology, surgery, orthopedic, ENT amadi pediatrics ka mari lainaba analaying service singi khudong chawal lobiyo. Akupa marol gidama contact tobiyo Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute Private Limited, Rims Southgate near Kombinay Kaithel. Hospital helpline number 8258967890.
Welcome back. United Porompat Baroni Road Organization, Imphal East, a conglomerate of 13 clubs of Porompat Baroni Road, also observed the 19th Great June Uprising and Unity Day at the Community Hall of Youth Development Association, EYDA, today. The attendees paid floral tributes to the photos of the martyrs on the occasion. Imphal West District Branch of Indian Red Cross Society, Manipur distributed face masks to the people who came to pay their respects to the martyrs of June 18 on the Great June Uprising and Unity Day at Kekrupat today. Dr. Bankim Chandra Thokchom of the Red Cross Society Manipur, Imphal West District Branch, along with its members, were present at the distribution. Laima Pokpum Khumpam Maira Paibilup has urged all microfinance institutes, private banks, industrial banks and money lenders under Laima Pokpum Gram Panchayat not to collect interest from loanees amid the COVID-19 lockdown. Speaking at a press meet at Laima Pokpum Maya Lekai Public Shed, a member of the group Nemairakpum Nungshi also urged people to stay home during the lockdown. She also said people should use face masks, hand sanitizers and maintain social distancing while stepping out of house. Youth Development and Sporting Union Khabi YDSUK has urged all microfinance institutes not to collect loan interest from loanees amid the COVID-19 lockdown. The union also said it has banned all forms of lucky draw in Khabi area. Women folk of Ward number 9, Sega Road, Konjeng, Hajari Lekai under Kashampat constituency provided breakfast to the inmates of COVID-19 quarantine centers at Kwakaithel Girls High School and Imphal College and Old Age Home Mongshangai. The clash between Indian and Chinese troops, in which both sides suffered casualties on Monday, began at around 7 p.m. in the Galwan Valley when an Indian Army squad of about 50 soldiers led by Colonel Santosh Babu reached a contested site near what is known as Patrol Point 14. People familiar with the developments said on Wednesday. The soldiers were unarmed as part of a protocol between the two sides, a media report said today. Forward troops patrolling the disputed border either do not carry guns or, if they do, keep them slung on their backs with the magazines in pouches and not clipped on. The Chinese soldiers were supposed to have withdrawn from the location under a de-escalation plan discussed by senior commanders from both sides on June 6. But the Indian squad found the Chinese troops, in violation of that understanding, did not pull back and their tanks and an observation post was still around. said one of the persons cited above. It was when Colonel Babu and his team confronted the Chinese soldiers about their continued presence at the site that the clash broke out, this official said, adding that the situation swiftly escalated as the Chinese soldiers refused to vacate their positions and the Indian soldiers removed the tents and the observation post that were on the Indian side of the LAC. In a matter of minutes, the soldiers were locked in hand-to-hand fighting that triggered a 7-hour violent face-off involving reinforcements from both sides. The clashes spread out from the patrol point 14 area to a nearby narrow ridge overlooking the river. It was here that both sides suffered casualties, the report said. Now we have the newspaper headlines.
The Sangai Express. BJP-led government on slippery ground. 3 BJP MLAs quit. Congress rolls up sleeves to move on thrust motion. 4 NPP MLAs, 1 AITC and 1 independent MLA withdraw support. 20 Indian soldiers killed in clash with China. Modi spikes through posts. Calls all-party meet on June 19. Manipur reiterates stand against delimitation of 2001 census. BJP leads and saying no to proposal. Human Rights Alert heralds activation of State Food Commission. The People's Chronicle. Bahrain government in deep trouble as 9 MLAs save allegiance to Congress. Will press governor to convene special assembly session to prove majority, says Ibobi. High Court to hear appeal of defected Congress MLAs today. States tally reaches 552. 5 RT-PCR machines functional. Delhi returnees top list. Travel history of 2 not known. 0 case in Jiribam. India sees highest ever spike of 2003 deaths. Imphal Free Press. N. Biren Singh led coalition government in troubled waters as 3 BJP MLAs resign. NPP withdraws support. Court proceedings to remain suspended till July 7. Manipur Mail. 3 BJP MLAs resign. NPP withdraws support. Bahrain government faces crisis. Congress 6 floor tests. 552 COVID cases. Assembly constituencies continue to lift PDS items. Human Rights Alert welcomes activation of Food Commission.
Now the top news headlines once again. Manipur observes Great June Uprising Unity Day 2020. After India's election to UNSC, PM Modi thanks global community. And India reports highest single-day jump with 12,881 COVID-19 cases, tally over 3.6 lakh. Now we are going to provide you further political developments after the BJP-led government. 3 of the MLAs left. Stay tuned.